morning. We're here to represent the Mexican delegation. Our names are Samantha Sena Fernandez,
Susana Sosa Ballesteros,
Alejandra Perez Merodio Gomez.
and we're here to present you our project titled Cantaloupe Seed, an Exploitable Waste. The state of Coahuila de Zaragoza, in the north part of Mexico, is one of the leading producers of cantaloupe production in Mexico. Due to the climate of the region, this fruit is produced in large quantities. Speaking in volume terms, in 2016, Coahuila produced more than 120,000 tons of cantaloupe, being about 21% of the total production in Mexico. But there's been a usual phenomenon that's been affecting the farmers in our area, which is the cantaloupe overproduction. The most recent being in June in 2016, where between 2 and 3 tons of cantaloupe were destroyed by farmers in the area due to the low price of cantaloupe. This study tries to explore the beneficial properties of the cantaloupe seed, which is characterized for having linoleic acid, which helps reduce the LDL cholesterol and increase the HDL cholesterol as well as the lean body mass.
After acknowledging the problematics in our region, we decided to study cantaloupe as a whole and found the previous research done to cantaloupe seed that stated that it has nutritious and beneficial properties. Our first idea was to extract the cantaloupe seed oil in order to use it in a product taking advantage of its linoleic acid. But we failed at this attempt, so we then decided to use the cantaloupe seed as a whole and to use a product with it. The objectives of this research are to explore the nutriments of this seed and to find a new use to this product in a nutritious way. The contributions to the knowledge would be a whole new research on cantaloupe seed, since it has not been fully investigated, and a new process to analyze cantaloupe seed without contaminating its beneficial properties.
The methodology of our project begins with the cantaloupe composition analysis. This analysis showed that a cantaloupe has a percentage of 30 grams of seed. Then we tried to extract the oil out of the seed with a hydraulic press. We had a failed attempt, but we saw that graining the seeds had as a result a fine powder. Then we analyzed that powder. The preparation of the powder is first the dehydration and then graining the seeds. This powder was analyzed by a bromatological analysis. This analysis showed that the seed is rich in fiber, dry matter, and protein. Later, we analyzed the same powder through a fatty acid composition analysis. This analysis showed that the seed has 69% of linoleic acid.
Based on our research, we can conclude that the cantaloupe seed powder is rich in linoleic acid, which is characterized by reducing LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol as well as lean body mass. This study would help in a socioeconomic way to the farmers of our area with the overproduction of this fruit. Also, with further analysis, this powder could be used in a nutritious way for any living organism.